Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car. It's completely over the top, in magazines, 1957 Handyman. It's not much of a Handyman left though, huh, Glenn?
No.
How long did it take you to build this car?
About seven winters.
Wow.
Yeah.
The attention to detail is just incredible. So tell us a little bit about it.
Well, I picked it up as a shell, and you know, it was something I just really wanted to build, and it's got a 6-liter 08 6-liter brand new crate engine, T56 transmission with Z06 guts in it, 9-inch Ford rear with a 370 rear, Art Morrison rear suspension, tubular front control arms, sway barred. The interior is done by Ciadella's, I believe in New Mexico. She did beautiful interior work on it.
It's like soft and supple. It's beautiful.
Paint we did at a local guy by us. He did the paint work on it.
What's the colors?
GM gray and then PBG series, real black color.
Yeah, super deep black.
700 or something. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Real centerline billet wheels.
They fit beautiful. God.
20s in the back, 18s in the front. Air conditioning, heat, vintage air.
Wilwood brakes all the way around.
Yeah, Wilwood in the back. They're actually a factory Corvette performance brake on the front.
Oh, cool.
But Wilwood's in the back.
It's so beautiful, bro. Just the lines, the fitment, the attention to detail.
It's clean, yeah.
It's so pretty. Yeah. You see lots of Nomads around, and they build them. You don't see these Handymans.
No. I think they're rarer than the Nomad.
Yeah, they just got beat up during the day. I like the posts too. It's just unique. I think you said you'd never sell this one.
I thought I got too many toys.
I know. That's great. Front end is gorgeous. Looks like you added some chrome, no? There's so much chrome going on.
Yeah, it's just all fresh.
It's so pretty. Just so crispy and new. Love the center lines. They're a 2-piece billet? Or 1 piece?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah,
and I guess they weld them together in the hubs once they press them in.
Kind of rear.
Ford 9-inch, 370 gear. Moser products, all Moser.
Oh, yeah, Moser. What do you have?
Axils and
35
housing.
spline back there?
Yeah. Yep. Exactly.
Kind of gears?
If I remember right, I think they were US gears.
Like 373?
370.
370.
Yeah.
It's just as nice underneath here as it is on the top.
Whose tank is it? It's
stainless tank, right?
Yeah.
Those aren't cheap.
No, you ain't kidding. Trying to think of his name.
Oh, all strange. Coil-Overs, everything.
Yeah, strange Coil-Overs. Again, Art Morrison tubular triangulated 4-link.
Yeah, that's killer. Full box chassis because it's from California, right?
California tube chassis, yeah.
Killer.
So I want to keep that chassis.
Really nice.
They're a little bit more rare than the other ones.
Yep. Nice sway bars, huge sway bar up front. Mandril bent, 3-inch exhaust. It's stainless, right?
Stainless steel, yeah.
Killer.
Magnaflow mufflers.
Did you tuck the bumpers a little bit?
No.
No?
They fit nice. I just let them roll out.
They look great. You got the 1-piece California bumpers.
No, that actually I don't know if it's a wagon. So the wagon, I don't know if it came out.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Maybe a little different than that.
This is the one that came with it. I just had it re-rolled. The gas tank is a Rick's tank. That's what it was.
Rick's, yeah.
Rick's gas tank.
He makes a beautiful product, but he isn't cheap. Just killer. Let's check out under the hood. Beautiful. It's right down to the smooth firewall. It's a 6-liter?
6-liter GM 08 GM crate motor with a actually LS3 intake manifold and a comp cam in it.
So it's not overboard. It's nice and reliable.
It's perfect. Oh, it drives nice. Yeah.
Nice and cool.
Probably gets, I don't know. It seemed like I used no gas coming out. It was probably 25 miles a gallon at least.
Great, man.
Not 30.
Air, power steering, power brakes, monster radiator.
Hydraulic clutch.
It's nice and easy to push.
It's like, yeah,
Butter.
it drives like velvet. Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
I like how the condenser matches like perfect.
Yeah, it came together nice.
Really, really nice.
Tried to hide all the lines as much as I could.
Great job. Such a clean build. The tubulars up front.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
I like how you hid the intake so you get some cold air in the fender.
Yeah.
That's smart.
Kind of hide it.
Did I did it steering column?
I think it's flaming river.
Flaming River?
Yeah.
What kind of wire? Wiring.
American
Painless?
auto wire.
American?
Yeah, American auto wire. That's I like those.
Yeah, everything's all labeled.
Yeah, nice.
Beautiful.
Those seats are actually 65 Impala Super Sport seats.
They look perfect. Really, really look great. Classic instrument gauges. Power windows. They did a beautiful job on the interior. Alcantara headliner.
Yeah, I think it was like a Mercedes material or something. I don't remember exactly. I know the Corvette's Mercedes.
Yeah, it has a very nice tight pile on it, the Corvette. And we even got cup holders.
Oh yeah.
That's a must, right?
You have to. Yeah.
6-speed trans. It's a T56.
Yes.
And all the controls for the vintage era right here, huh? That's great. And even the clock works.
Oh yeah.
Classic instruments also?
Yep.
Cool.
I don't know if the clock is set. I gotta set it, but.
Beautiful. All new seat belts. All the way around. You even got 3 in the back. Pretty cool. Let's check out the back. A little metallic in the paint. Almost looks like that Corvette gray.
Yeah,
You know,
it's
like
definitely a GM color.
the 6x9s are removable. Go to a show. Got leather in the inner wheelhouse. For a new handyman, you found it. Sorry about the wind, guys. Got a custom Kenwood sound system. It's got Apple AirPlay and everything. USB. Does the stereo have Navi?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's Apple iPlay. I used the iPlay coming out of here today.
That's great. Yeah, I noticed that right away. Let's fire it up. Sounds great. It's cold here today, guys, like 30 degrees and windy. I like that you put the 6-liter in it, not a huge big block, you know? It's so heavy up front and they run hot. These are great. It's all OBD, right?
OBD, yeah. Yeah, factory GM computer, 8-speed tuner setup.
Nice. Beautiful mix of modern with classic design, you know? Let's take a quick ride. Yeah, it's got Apple and Android Auto.
Tell me where.
Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give us a shout. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. And hope to hear from you soon. Thanks a lot.